Imagine having a team of assistants at your fingertips. Welcome to the world of AI websites. Today, we'll explore tools that boost productivity and creativity. From writing to design, these platforms can transform your work. First up is ChatGPT. It helps generate text ideas and drafts quickly. Simply type your thoughts, and its suggestions that flow smoothly. Next, we have Claude. It's designed for deep learning tasks. Use it for understanding complex topics or data analysis effortlessly. Then, meet Gemini. This tool aids collaboration, perfect for team projects. Share insights and brainstorm ideas seamlessly. Perplexity is great for research. It provides answers and information intuitively. No more endless searching, let it do the work. Canva AI simplifies graphic design. Create stunning visuals with ease. Just drag and drop and watch your ideas come to life. Gamma helps in creating presentations. It's user-friendly and saves you time. Transform your concepts into captivating slides effortlessly. Leonardo AI focuses on art and creativity. Generate original artwork based on your concepts. Unleash your inner artist in seconds. Lastly, 11 Labs excels in voice synthesis. Create natural-sounding voiceovers for your projects. Stand out with professional audio easily. To recap, these websites turn complex tasks into simple steps. Explore ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, Canva AI, Gamma, Leonardo AI, and 11 Labs. Don't forget to save this video for later. Explore these tools today and enhance your creativity.